You're not shadow banned. Your content is just not engaging. Let's fix that. You see what I did there? Girl, I'm so happy you didn't start the video. Look at the short of what it is about to do. Oh, that's played out. You just ruined the whole intro. My bad. I was just trying to come for some moral support, girl. I was just trying to help you through these times. You let me transition into something new. Gosh, so wait, Ray, I'm sorry. Come on, come on. Eric, you teach them to edit. I'll be back later. Eric, anyways. Y'all want to learn how to do the cloning effect? So first you want to go on CapCut and add your main clip. Then you want to go over, add overlay, add your second clip, and then you're going to go over here to mask, and you're going to click horizontal. You're going to adjust it. You're going to turn it. You see what I did there? You're going to move yours over. You want to adjust the clip so that your other body from your main clip is not going to be see-through. So you see me adjusting there. And then you're going to pull that arrow thing over. Now right here you see me adjusting the clip, and how you do that is you would just pinch the screen until it lines up. My advice is to make sure you record a lot of blank space so that when you do edit the clips, just in case, you get what I'm saying, you want to leave room for the conversation, for one person to stop, one person to talk, one person to talk, one person to stop. Let me know in the comment section if this tutorial was helpful. Was it too long? Bye, bestie.